Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I have a new monthly subscription box I'm super excited about. It's called the Tribe Beauty Box. They contacted me and asked if I wanted to review this box, and I said yes, definitely. So basically you get 5 full-size makeup products each month. It's $34.99 a month, and let's just get into it. How cute is that box? First off, the first thing that I see, I think it's a pop socket. It says I rep my TBB Tribe. And they sent me a little card, and there's a card that talks about everything that is in the box. Okay, first thing I see are 3 eyeshadows from Makeup Geek. Let's see, they retail for $6 each. Let's see these colors. Ooh, okay, so this one is Aphrodite, and it's a really pretty purple. Shimma Shimma. We're gonna focus. There we go. Ooh, I like that one. And then the last one is Peach Smoothie. Ooh, I would love a peach smoothie right now. Okay, next is a product from So Susan, and this is a highlighting pencil. Retails for $19.95. A universally flattering ivory cream crayon that brings your best features to light. Made with white truffle extract and Eve Searle peptide to help reduce eye bags and increase skin elasticity. All right, let's open this. That's the packaging. Okay, this top will not come off. Okay, there we go. Oh, I had to break it to get it off. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's like pinky. I like that though. Let's see if I can get my camera to pick it up. See how it's kind of like pinky? Ooh. Next I have a brush set. This is from Crown. Retails for $29.99. I believe I've gotten this exact brush set in a different beauty subscription box before. This is what they look like. Next we have some makeup remover wipes from Basanti. These are the makeup magnet wipes. Ooh, retails for $12. These powerful makeup cleaning wipes are gentle, effective, and super comfortable. Like a magnet, tiny micelle molecules attract dirt, oil, and pollutants from your face. So this is what they look like. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I love my Neutrogena hydrating wipes, and they are like $6 at Walmart. So for double the price, I'm anxious to see how these work. Okay, and the last thing is a product from NARS. This is a lip glide. Oh, you could either get this or the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy lip color. So it was either a NARS lip color or an Estee Lauder lip color. I got a NARS color. This retails for $26. It is an innovative, long-lasting lip color with a smooth satin to semi-matte finish that provides ultimate hydration. So this is the color. I feel like this would match my hair perfectly. This is a really pretty fall color. Oh, it smells good. Like, out of frame, my head's like, eh. So my thoughts on this box. I'm definitely excited for the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Let's see, I've already gotten this brush set before, so that's kind of a bummer. I'm excited for this highlighting pencil. I think the color is, I don't know, I don't have like a highlighter that's like a pinky color like that. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this NARS lip color because this will be a great fall color. These makeup wipes I'm a little weary about. And then this little pop socket, I think this is just like extra because it's not on the card. So I don't know if they throw it in like every box or if they just gave it to me because they sent me the box. I don't know. Do I think this box is worth $35? You know, I do because the NARS lipstick alone is $26, and then the 3 Makeup Geek shadows are $6 each. So I think it's definitely worth it for these products alone. But you know, I do think this box is worth it. I am bummed about this brush trio because I've already gotten it before, but a lot of people probably haven't already gotten this before, so they'd be stoked to get this. So yeah, I think this box is worth it. I hope that they continue to send me boxes so I can see how they kind of compare. With monthly subscription services, it's hard to base them on like one box. You need to get a bunch of boxes to see if it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is it for this video. I will have a link to the Tribe Beauty Box down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.